For decades, organizations have relied on offshore vendors to run critical IT operation. A promise was simple: lower rates, bigger savings. But behind the numbers, a different reality often appears: high attrition and resource turnover, inconsistent delivery quality, frequent change orders and cost increases, limited access to senior decision makers. These issues create more than day-to-day operation. They slow execution, increase risk, delay outcomes, and force internal teams to manage the vendor instead of moving the business forward. Alpha was built to deliver a better model. Alpha Managed Services assumes full responsibility for operating, securing, and optimizing IT environments. We don't sell people. We own outcomes. Instead of managing multiple handoffs, endless revisions, and slow escalations, clients gain one accountable partner focused on execution, transparency, and measurable business impact. On average, Alpha delivers 15% lower cost than offshore vendors, which translates into up to 50% real savings when rework, delays, and risks are removed. Powered by AI-driven modernization and dedicated expert teams, Alpha replaces fragmented vendors with one accountable partner aligned to real business outcomes. Alpha is built around managed outcomes, accountable delivery, and AI-driven execution. We focus on results first, with payment tied to value delivered later. That means zero commitment, zero risk, with US-led oversight and AI-driven delivery that helps clients move faster and smarter.